Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a little cruise just to get out of the house. It's been a little bit overcast and wintry. Got to get out and just be outside a little bit. So taking the car out today, gonna go pick up my little brother and we're just gonna go run some errands and maybe take a little cruise up through the northwest Boise foothills. So for those of you that watch the channel, building the 987 Cayman S twin turbo with the MRN kit from the UK, bolt on to a stock engine. So I know a lot of you guys may have some concerns about that with the bore scoring, IMS issues, reliability of the 06 Cayman S platform, the 3.4 liter flat 6. But yeah, I did it anyways, and so far so good. We're going in on January 30th for a dyno run and some fine tuning, just to see how everything sorts out with some remote tuning input from MRN themselves. So thanks for watching the channel so far, you guys. Always like to let you know that if you don't already know, I'm a Boise, Idaho, southwestern Idaho area real estate agent and investor. I invest in and out of state for single family properties primarily. I'm also well versed with multi-unit and some commercial aspects of real estate investing as well, and syndications. So if you have any questions, if you're looking to buy or sell, transplant from, most of my clients are from California, regardless if you like it or not. Most of them are from California, coming to Idaho. And so yeah, if you're looking to buy out here, I can help you out. Been through that process many times, hundreds of times now, with families looking to transplant and help people build their portfolios and start investing. So outside of that, I love building the car. It's been fun. I don't personally wrench on it as much as I probably could or should, just because what I really enjoy and what you guys have probably seen in the channel is that I really like creating, I guess, the vision of what I want the car to be, and then watching it come to life through the hands of people that are much more skilled and efficient in using their time than I am on building the car. So yeah, you guys can check out my other videos to see what all is on the car. It's got a lot done to it. It's super fun setup. And right now we're just kind of cruising. We'll see. It's pretty warm, so I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the blow-off valve sounds super cool in the car, and the turbos sound good. The exhaust is a little bit different of a note than it was prior to the turbos, of course, since the turbos are on the back exit of the exhaust there. So the sound is a lot more, I guess, a little bit more droney for sure. And I don't know if you guys can hear it or picks it up in the iPhone speaker, but definitely a little bit of a different feel. But the turbos and the blow-off valves make up for the lack of that raspy cup style sound that I really, really liked from the stock engine. Also, it's got a lot more torque and power. So once we get it fully tuned, it'll be sick to see exactly what this thing can do and how much power it's actually putting out. And so yeah, we'll see if we can do maybe just a little pull. Phone might actually pop out of its stand, so we'll check. But it definitely has some balls for sure. Yeah, that's fun. I don't know if you guys can hear the turbos spooling. It sounds so cool in person. So, well, see if I'll put a couple little clips of us going for a little cruise. All right, so got her out, getting her filled up. 91 non-ethanol, it's the best we got around here for now. Hello, sir.
What's up, dude?
How's the Porsche driving so far?
Pretty loud, pretty sideways.
Pretty annoying, huh?
A little bit. It's cool though. Are you gonna jump?